Holland.
Okay, and Vivian, what about your breakfast?
I ate noodle for breakfast.
Okay, and what about your lunch? What did you eat for lunch, Vivian?
I ate rice and chicken and fish for lunch.
Okay. Then your dinner, Tracy, what did you eat for dinner?
I ate chicken for dinner.
Oh, chicken. And Vivian, what about your dinner? What did you eat for dinner?
I ate soup for dinner.
Okay, that's good. So Tracy and Vivian, good to see you guys today in class. Welcome back. Tracy, how's the weather today?
It's cool.
It's cool. And what about you, Vivian? How's the weather today?
The weather is rainy.
Okay, and all right, Tracy and Vivian, good to see you guys. We're gonna share our lessons today, okay?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Um, So today questions, we're going to talk about picnics and we're going to talk about our house. Okay, Tracy and Vivian?
Yes.
That is what the lessons we'll talk about today. Picnics, and then we'll talk about our house. Now, Tracy, do you like going for a picnic?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about you, Vivian? Do you like going for a picnic?
No. Yes.
Why? Okay. I would have thought as much. Now, Tracy, who do you like to go with? When you're going for a picnic, who do you like to go with?
Yes.
No, who do you like to go with? Not yes. Who do you like to go with?
Um.
Mm-hmm. Who do you like to go with? Vivian, when you're going to when you're going to have a picnic, who do you like to go with?
I go to the Nha Trang.
With who? With who? Who do you like to go with? Vivian and Tracy, don't you understand the question? Who do you like to go with when you're going to the park? Vivian and Tracy, what's the problem? You don't understand what I mean by who do you like to go with? Do you like to go with your family, with your friends? Who do you like to go with? Vivian and Tracy.
Yes.
Who do you like to go with when you're going to the park? Do you like to go with your brother, your family, your friends? Who do you like to go with?
I go with my family.
Tracy, what about you? Who do you like to go with?
I go with my friend.
You go with your friend?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you like to do when you go on a picnic? What do you like to do? What do you like to do, Vivian? Vivian, when you go on a picnic, what do you like to do? Vivian?
Yes,
Vivian, when you go
I
on a picnic, what do you like to do?
I like go to the beach.
Yes, but what do you like to do?
I like eat ice cream and go to the
Ice cream,
cinema.
and you cannot go to the cinema when you're having a picnic. Picnic is an outdoor activity. You do picnic outdoor. So you cannot have ice cream when you're going on a picnic.
Yes,
Sorry, you can have ice cream, but you cannot watch a movie when you're going on a picnic. Probably you can eat some snacks and you can play some games and you can dance and have lots of fun, but you cannot watch movies when you go out for a picnic. You can also fly a kite because it's an outdoor activity. Tracy,
yes.
do you like to have a picnic with your friends in school? Do you
Uh,
like to have picnic with your friends in school?
I like
Mm-hmm. Do you like to have picnic with your friends in school?
I like snack and chew.
Okay. No, the question is either you say yes or no. It's
Oh,
either you can say yes or no. Do
sorry,
you like
teacher.
to have do you like to have a picnic with your family or with your friends? You can say, oh yes, you can say no.
Oh,
hello, teacher.
Peter, what happened yesterday? You didn't join the lesson.
I can't enjoy the lesson.
What?
Now I can
oh.
enjoy.
Oh, okay. I thought, wait, what happened yesterday? Were you busy?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what did you do? What did you do yesterday?
I go to my uncle house.
You use went for pastas. I went to my uncle's house.
I went to uncle house for my cousin birthday.
Oh, I can see that. I can see that. Okay, 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 okay. Tracy and Vivian, Peter is gonna be joining us in the lessons for today. So we'll be having Peter and Tracy and Vivian today. Peter, what else did you do today? What about today? What did you do? Peter, what did you do today? Where is Peter? Peter, 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 what did you do today? Where is Peter and Tracy? Are you guys there? Peter and Vivian. Vivian.
Yes.
Tracy, can you hear me? Tracy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Tracy?
Yes.
Okay. Tracy, can you hear me now? Tracy, what do you like to eat when you go on a picnic?
Yes.
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat when you go on a picnic?
I eat.
See, I like to eat.
I like to eat. Snack.
Snacks.
Yes.
Okay, and what do you like to drink?
Um. I like drink. I like to drink juice.
You like to drink what?
I like to drink juice.
Juice. Say juice.
Yes.
I like to drink juice. Tracy, can you say I like to drink juice?
I like to drink juice.
Okay, and what about you, Vivian? Vivian, what do you like to eat when you go on a picnic?
I like go to the.
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
I like it.
I like to eat.
Is the ice cream and cake.
I like to eat ice cream and cake. Okay. And what about your juice? What do you like to drink when you go out on a picnic?
I drink cold uh, lemon juice. It's orange juice.
Okay. Oh, you like to drink lemon juice and orange juice?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Tracy, how do you feel? Tracy, how do you feel when you go out on a picnic? Vivian, what is that? Trace, Vivian,
Yes.
how do you feel when you go out on a picnic? How do you feel when you go out on a picnic? How do you feel? Vivian? Okay, Tracy,
Yes.
how do you feel when you go on a picnic?
Um.
How do you feel when you go on a picnic? How do you feel?
Yes.
No, how do you feel? Can you tell me? Vivian. Vivian and Tracy, how do you guys feel when you go on a picnic? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad? Do you feel angry? Do you feel excited? How do you feel?
I feel happy.
And what about you, Tracy? How do you feel?
I feel is happy.
You feel what?
I feel is funny.
Okay. All right. Now we move up to the next section. The next section says we'll talk about your house. Tracy, where do you live?
Work.
Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam Projects.
Vietnam what?
Vietnam Projects.
Vietnam Proches? Wait, let me see. You can write in the chat. Write in the chat. Where do you live? Okay, Vivian, what about you? Where do you live?
I live in a flat.
Where do you live? Not the house you live. Where? Where do you live in Vietnam? Mm-hmm. Where do you live in Vietnam? Binh Phuoc, Sapa. Where do you live? Hanoi City, Ho Chi Minh City.
I live in the city.
Okay, now, do you live in a house or do you live in a flat? Vivian, do you live in a city or do you live? Sorry, do you live in a city or the countryside? Where do you live, Vivian?
I live in the city.
Okay, and do you live in a flat or do you live in a house? In a apartment? Do you live in an apartment, a house? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a bathhouse.
You live in an apartment?
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Tracy? Tracy, where
Yes.
do you live in Vietnam? Dong
I
Sai
live,
City, Binh Phu Province.
I live in Dong Sai City.
Okay, is it a city or the countryside?
I live in city.
Okay, okay. And then, do you live in an apartment or do you live in a house?
I live in house.
Okay. All right. So, Vivian, can you tell me about your house?
It's big. The house
Tell me
is
about your house.
soft and big.
Okay.
The house color is blue.
Mm-hmm. The house
The,
color is blue. Okay.
the
Tell me,
garden
go on. Tell me about your house. Mm-hmm. Vivian,
and
tell me about your house. Tracy, can you tell me about your house?
Um, my house is in the city. Um, it has 5 rooms, one
Mm-hmm.
living room, 2 bedrooms. One is for my parents, and one is from from me and my younger sister. One kitchen and one bathroom. My house is blue. Um,
Mm-hmm.
and I love my house so much.
Okay. Why do you like your house? Why do you love your house?
Uh,
Why do you
because
love your house? Because
um um because my house is beautiful.
okay, because your house is beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. And what about you, Vivian? Vivian, can you tell me about your bedroom?
the bedroom is big. Is 3 bed.
Mm-hmm.
Is
Mm-hmm. Vivian, tell me about your bedroom. Vivian, Tracy,
Yes.
can you tell me about your bedroom?
Um, my bedroom is very peace. My bedroom has one desk on the window, a
Mm-hmm.
bed in the middle of the room. There are many teddy bear reposed in the room. I love teddy bears so much, and
Mm-hmm.
I love
Why do you love your bedroom?
because my bedroom mm,
Mm-hmm. Why do you
mm,
love your bedroom? Okay, Vivian and Tracy, you guys are going to do this as a homework, okay? You're going to talk
Yeah.
about your bedroom, you talk about your house properly, and when we come back in the next lesson, we're going to talk about it. Okay, Vivian and
Yes.
Tracy.
Bye bye,
All right.
teacher.
Goodbye. See